You know, because of the internet, everybody thinks they're an expert in everything these days. They see a house online, they automatically think they can make an offer just because they know the price. But I'm here to tell you there's far more to making an offer on a house than just knowing the price. And that's where a buyer agency comes into play. What is buyer agency? Well, quite simply, it's having somebody on your side through the entire real estate transaction, from making the offer to seeing that it goes through all the way. And let me dispel a common myth for you. Most people think that have a buyer agency, they have to pay a fee. That's not the case at all, because in nearly almost every single case, that commission comes from the seller's side. So it's a no-brainer to have a buyer agency. Now, why would you want a buyer agency? Well, quite frankly, you would be represented in the transaction. We would see your best interest in getting that real estate deal done and making sure it's done with your terms in mind. From finding that right price on what we should make on the offer of the house to making sure the deal goes through. A buyer agency such as myself is key to a good real estate transaction. So again, just because you see that information on the internet, don't try doing it yourself. Having a buyer agency is simply a no-brainer. For more information, check out my website at sellitwithsinkoff.com. I look forward to hearing from you soon.